NASA's NISAR satellite launch, live coverage and insights. Get ready for a historic moment in space exploration. The highly anticipated NISAR satellite, a groundbreaking collaboration between NASA and the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, is about to launch, and the world will be watching live. This mission isn't just another satellite launch, it's a bold leap forward in how we observe and understand our ever-changing planet. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts argue that the data NISAR will collect could challenge long-held beliefs about climate change and land use. Are you ready to see what unfolds? Set your alarms for Wednesday, July 30th, at 8:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 5:40 p.m. IST, when NISAR is scheduled to blast off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center on India's southeastern coast. This isn't just a technical feat, it's a symbol of international cooperation, as the satellite will ride atop an ISRO geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle, embarking on a mission to scan nearly every inch of Earth's land and ice surfaces twice every 12 days. Imagine the possibilities. From tracking shifting glacier to monitoring farmland health, the insights could be game-changing. You won't want to miss a moment. NASA will stream the entire launch event live on NASA+, https://plus.nasa.gov, and on their official YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/@NISAR. Curious about other ways to tune in? NISAR offers a variety of platforms, including social media, so you can follow along wherever you are. And this is the part most people miss. You can even interact with the mission team in real time by using the hashtag #AskNISAR on social media. What makes NISAR truly unique is its dual radar system, an S-band radar from ISRO and an L-band radar from NASA. This powerful combination will deliver high-resolution data, empowering scientists, policymakers, and communities to monitor everything from critical infrastructure and agricultural fields to the subtle movements of land and ice. For example, imagine being able to detect early signs of a landslide or track crop growth from planting to harvest. NISAR's data could make that possible. This mission is more than just a technological marvel. It's a milestone in U.S. India space relations. During a landmark visit to Washington, President Trump and Prime Minister Modi hailed NISAR as a cornerstone of a new era in civil space cooperation. The satellite's data will not only benefit both nations in areas like agriculture and disaster response, think hurricanes, floods, and volcanic eruptions, but could also spark debate about how we use and share this information globally. Should all countries have equal access to NISAR's data? Or should it be restricted to partners only? Let us know what you think in the comments. Here's how you can follow the action. *** Monday, July 28 *** 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. NASA will host a pre-launch teleconference featuring key mission leaders, including Karen St. Germain, Director of Earth Science at NASA, Gerald Borden, NISAR Program Scientist, Shanna McLean, Disasters Program Manager, Phil Bareller, NISAR Project Manager at JPL, and Marco Laval, NISAR Deputy Project Scientist at JPL. The event will be streamed live on JPL's YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/and/streams. Members of the media can participate by phone, but must register by 4 p.m. on Sunday, July 27th, by contacting Rexaner Visor at rexaner.v.visor@jpl.nasa.gov. Social media users can also submit questions using #AskNISAR. ** Wednesday, July 30 ** 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Live launch coverage begins on NASA+, https://plus.nasa.gov/scheduled-video/NISAR-launch, and YouTube, https://www.youtube.com/@NISAR, broadcasting from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California, where the U.S. side of the mission is managed. For real-time updates and behind-the-scenes insights, follow NASA's NISAR blog, http://science.nasa.gov/blogs/NISAR. Stay connected on social media. X, formerly Twitter @NISAR, @NASA Earth, @NISARJPL. Facebook, NISAR, NISAR Earth, NISAR JPL. Instagram @NISAR, @NASA Earth, @NISARJPL. Want to dive deeper? The NISAR Press Kit, http://go.nasa.gov/NISAR Press Kit, offers in-depth information about the mission science and technology. You can also explore a collection of NISAR videos, https://www.youtube.com/playlist?list=plt4_x WMQV_NF38 we4BMTR65E_K, and animations. https://vimeo.com/showcase/11574229 to see the technology in action. NISAR marks the first time NASA and ISRO have joined forces on a satellite mission, building on a legacy of successful partnerships like Chandrayaan-1 and the recent Axiom Mission 4, which saw astronauts from both agencies working together aboard the International Space Station. This launch is the result of years of planning and international teamwork, and it could redefine how we study our planet from space. So, what do you think? Will NISAR's data revolutionize our understanding of Earth, or will it raise new questions and controversies about privacy, data sharing, and global cooperation? Share your thoughts below. Do you see this as a step forward for science, or do you have concerns about how the information might be used? For more details about the mission, visit https://science.nasa.gov/mission/NISAR. Contact information. Elizabeth Flock Karen Fox, NISAR Headquarters, Washington, or 2023581600, elizabeth.a.flock@nasa.gov, Karen.c.fox@nasa.gov. Andrew Wang, Jane J. Lee, Jet Propulsion Laboratory, Pasadena, California, US626. NISAR launches July 30th, U.S. India Joint Earth Science Mission. A high-stakes space collaboration hangs in the balance, and critics are whispering about the risks. On July 30th, NASA and the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, will launch NISAR, a groundbreaking Earth-observing satellite, despite unresolved questions about technical glitches that plagued India's recent space missions. This $1.5 billion partnership aims to map Earth's surface in unprecedented detail, tracking climate disasters and natural resources. But here's where it gets controversial. ISRO's recent lunar mission faced last-minute software bugs, and its 2021 Earth monitoring satellite failed mid-mission. Yet both agencies insist NISAR is ready. Why does this matter? The satellite's radar technology can detect millimeter-scale ground movements, crucial for predicting landslides, monitoring glacier, and even managing agriculture. Imagine getting a 12-day warning before a catastrophic flood. But critics argue the rushed timeline prioritizes political symbolism over technical due diligence. Asterisk, would you gamble global climate data on a mission with known organizational risks? Asterisk. To access full coverage of the launch risks, mission specs, and exclusive interviews, new users can *** claim 3 free articles monthly ** by creating an account. Existing members simply sign in. Prefer unlimited access? Upgrade to a quarterly plan starting at $5 a week **. Billed quarterly. Cancel anytime, though fair warning, no refunds. Sales tax may apply. About the author, Jeff Faust holds a PhD in planetary science from MIT and a geophysics degree from Caltech. He's covered space policy for over a decade. So here's the debate starter. Should international partnerships like NASA-ISRO proceed full speed when one partner faces recent technical setbacks? Or does shared ambition justify the risk? Drop your take in the comments. We're listening. ISRO-NASA NISAR satellite launch. Everything you need to know. Get ready for a groundbreaking moment in space exploration. ISRO's GSLV F-16 is set to launch the pioneering joint satellite project between ISRO and NASA, known as NISAR, on July 30, 2025. This mission marks a significant milestone in international collaboration and Earth observation technology. But here's where it gets fascinating. The satellite's capabilities are unlike any we've seen before, promising to revolutionize how we monitor our planet. The launch is scheduled for 1,740 hours IST from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC-SHAR, located in Sriharikota. The powerful GSLV F-16 rocket will place NISAR into a precise 743 km sun-synchronous orbit, with an inclination angle of 98.40 degrees. This orbit allows for consistent, regular coverage of the Earth's surface, capturing crucial data day and night. What makes NISAR truly unique is its dual-frequency synthetic aperture radar (SAR) system. Unlike typical satellites that rely on one frequency for radar imaging, NISAR combines NASA's L-band and ISRO's S-band radars. These two bands operate together through NASA's innovative 12-meter unfurlable mesh reflector antenna, all integrated seamlessly into ISRO's updated I3K satellite bus. This fusion of technology enables NISAR to scan a very wide swath of 242 kilometers with exceptional spatial resolution, utilizing cutting-edge sweep SAR technology, a first for this mission. Imagine being able to observe Earth regardless of weather conditions or whether it's day or night. NISAR will do exactly that, providing global coverage every 12 days. This frequent, comprehensive monitoring opens the door to an extensive range of scientific and practical applications. For example, the satellite can detect subtle shifts in the Earth's surface such as ground deformation caused by seismic activity, movements in ice sheets impacting climate studies, and changes in vegetation patterns important for agriculture and ecology. Beyond this, NISAR's advanced sensors can support critical environmental and safety tasks, sea ice classification to aid navigation and climate research, tracking of ships for maritime security, shoreline monitoring to assess erosion, and storm characterization to improve disaster preparedness. It can also measure variations in soil moisture, map and monitor surface water resources, and provide timely information essential for disaster response efforts. This impressive mission is more than just a launch. It is the culmination of over a decade of intense technical collaboration between ISRO and NASA JPL teams, blending expertise and innovation from both agencies. Are you excited about this leap for Earth observation technology? How do you think this international partnership could influence future space missions? Some might argue that combining these different radar systems is overly complex and risky. What's your take? Feel free to share your thoughts and join the discussion. For those interested in seeing an overview of the NISAR mission, there is a detailed video available, 2 minutes and 42 seconds long, 170 megabytes, that visually explains the satellite's design and capabilities.